Hi Ulrich, I just got your email with your question, and on your live request, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to set a filter for such a query. Perfect. Yeah. So I come down to the OneDirect portal. I've already logged in there, from which I check on to the database and look at the M&A database. Now I'm in the M&A database. I go to deals in play. And since this is a new query, I go to reports and charts and click on this button plus, which is new. I need a final report in form of a table, which will show my data in a spreadsheet style report with rows and columns. That's the one which I need. So I'm gonna create this report. This is a personal report in which I need certain columns. So let me first choose my columns. I'm gonna choose the heading. So as you see, each of these report columns are coming on the right-hand side on a double click. I can also use the arrow right to select it. Then I'm going to use the region. I'm also going to add the US region and sub-regions just so that we can zero down very shortly. I'm going to add the category. So this ensures that I have only the uncons in the US. Then I'm going to add the value range. And well, the seller, obviously. I think in this particular case, I would need the seller right after the heading. So I have made sure that my seller reaches up. And then finally, summary. These are my initial columns, which I would like to take in. And if I have to download these from a record perspective, I'm choosing something called as a deal in play ID. So in case I need to VLOOK up some of this information later on, it becomes easy for me. So this is the columns that I have chosen. Now I'm gonna set filters on these deals. So my first filter is, as you have requested, the region. So I'm choosing North America, non-GOM. My second filter for this is the category. And I'm choosing unconventional. Since we are looking at the unconventional categories, I am also going to add the US plays, which gives you the different uncon plays and the Canadian plays also. So I have the US and Canadian plays. Let me also add the Canadian province. So now it is logically structured as US region, subregion, Canada province. Let me also move the US plays up. You see, it is so easy at the click of a mouse. Perfect. Yeah. And this is what I have chosen. Region is equal to North America. Category is Uncon. Perfect. So let us run this query with a display. So when I hit display, I have 702 deals in play with a heading, seller, region, subregion, so on and so forth. And there is a deal in play ID for reference. Perfect. So this is what I have queried, 702 deals. I'm doing a cross check on the status of these deals in terms of the open and the closed ones. I guess most of these are open, but I am still going to, hit the spanner to double check and filter only the live deals. So my query column selection is still on. My filters are still on. I'm just gonna add one more filter here, which is status. And I want to check both announced. So if you notice, the first query portion here is an all query. So it will check the deals in play where the region is Northam and category is Uncon. But now in this particular subquery, I want the status to be either announced or unknown. So instead of the red or the green, I hit a sub criteria to it. So now you see I have two, I can select any of the conditions, which means it becomes a OR function. Status is equal to unknown. And then I'm going to hit display again to see if the number of deals in play reduces, which it should, because there are 254 deals in play in North America where the assets on the market are largely unconventional. Now I'm going to save this report, and which is very easy. And the report name is Ulrich's live request. The description is, I'm just going to pull it back from deals in play in North America for unconventional. Perfect. This is a personal report, and I have saved this personal report. Perfect. I can take the data of this report, click More, Save as Spreadsheet, and the entire extract comes out to me in an Excel format. So after this demo, I'm going to mail across the link for this report as well as the link for the video. Thank you.